Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Skool community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you auto-approve membership into your Skool community? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to auto-approve your memberships anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that small tasks can take up a lot of time, especially when it's compounded over your day. So by auto-approving your membership, you don't have to go in there and manually approve every membership. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Skool community dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Skool account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to auto approve membership into your Skool community, here on the right side, you're going to click on settings. Once you do that, you're going to be in the settings section of your Skool group. And here on the left side, you're going to click on plugins. Once you click on plugins, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to look for this green check mark, instant membership approval. Click on there. Right here, they do let you know that you're likely going to end up with lower quality members and possibly spam accounts because you're not going to be manually approving. So by turning this on, it is going to save you time, but it's also going to cost you some time because you're going to end up having to block certain users. But if you're okay with that, what you're going to do in order to instantly approve membership into your Skool community, make sure this box is checked over here on the right. For me, I don't have the option because mine is a paid group. This does need to be a free group to auto approve. Once you check that box, be sure to click on done, and then it's going to bring you back here to the plugin section. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to instantly approve Skool membership into your community, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.